Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model this very simple face of a cartoon dog. Very simple face of this dog. I'm going to model it and then I'm going to texture it also in Blender. I'm going to do this in Blender 5.1. See, my scrolling is not working properly. Mouse scrolling. Then also I will try to model this. This is a challenge for me to model this with a broken mouse. Okay, I will do this. So let's start, friend. Let's start. Hello, friends. That's it. So here is our model. This is very simple model. There is not that much to do in this model. So this is very simple face of a cartoon dog model and texture in Blender. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.